Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Wanted to ask you guys if you could do me a favor. If you're watching these videos and checking out the channel and you like what you see, if you guys could hit the subscribe button for me, we would really appreciate that. We are working our way to trying to get monetized so that we can build bigger and better cars and more builds and so on and so forth and keep doing this. And that would help us a lot if you guys could do that for us. So that's really all I got for you. Really appreciate all of you. Stay tuned. We've got lots of cool builds coming. Lots of things starting to happen on a lot of different cars. So it won't just be the Thing. It's going to be the Thing, the 40 Ford, the Apache. There's going to be a lot of things happening. So just stay tuned, and I will try my best to get you as many videos as I can, including Don's 1957 Chevy two-door post that we're working on. There's a lot going on over there too. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks for everything. We really appreciate you. Have a great night.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Wanted to give you a kind of a quick overview of where we're at on the Thing and on the 40 Ford, just so you guys know where we ended up today. So our parts came in from the Thing shop. So let's start with the Thing. The low beam headlight relay came in, as well as the emergency flasher relay. And like 30 fuses, which are all in there. You see in there. So what we figured out real quick, and believe it or not, and I can't believe it, I just have to, they came with directions. I just, you know, it's one of the first things on this entire car that's actually came with the directions. So, and it was very helpful. So something very different about this relay here for the headlight, low beam, it had this jumper on here over to number, I believe it's lighting's terrible, but I believe it's number 30, something like that. But anyway, that was helpful. And what I figured out was I had that hooked up wrong, definitely without the jumper, and then the white wire you see here was where the yellow one is, and the yellow was where the white was. I had them backwards. So high beam and low beam were on the wrong prongs. So yeah, that should help. So that's wired up correctly. Now the emergency flasher switch, our emergency flasher relay, was wired up correctly. We're good there, but it was burnt up. I pulled it out and you could see it and smell it. It was smoked. So that definitely will help things. Now once I got those installed, looked at everything looked right. I hooked up the battery and I turned on the ignition to accessory. I pulled the headlight switch to there, to low beam, and I hear pop. Not a fuse, it was internal inside the headlight switch. Now I've heard this before, right after I hook up the battery. So I think something's cooked in the headlight switch, so that's a problem. Now when I go to high beam, I have high beams, so we're good there. But low beam is dead, and it's I'm kind of fear that the switch is something wrong internally. So there's that, and then the emergency flasher switch, you turn it on, nothing happens. So what I'm thinking here is I think I burn up the emergency flasher switch, the hazard switch, and the headlight switch, probably a while ago. So I ordered new ones from the Thing shop, and they're supposed to have directions too. I'm incredibly excited to not screw this up. And so that will give us a new headlight low beam relay, a new emergency flasher relay, a new headlight switch, a new fuse panel, and a new emergency flasher switch. That should work. The wires from the directions and all of the wiring diagrams that I possess and can find, the wiring is correct. I went through and did a continuity test on all of them, chased them down, blah, blah, blah. They're right. So I should be okay. I think I just have a couple switches that are screwing me up here. So definitely had at least one bad relay. The emergency flasher relay was cooked. So that was a problem. And then the actual hazard switch, I think I cooked it too. But I know something's weird with that headlight switch on low beam. As soon as I turn it on, it does something inside. So that's where this is. New parts are coming, new switches are coming. We're just waiting on them to get here now. So apparently the thing shop is fast. They already shipped them. So hopefully in the next 3 or 4 days, by Friday, I'm hoping to have the parts. And then we'll go down that road again. Big Ron, I'm going to open this door. It's just going to be easier. Big Ron has been working on the shifter and the shifter hump all day. Sorry for the terrible lighting, but we now have a low car shifter. Goes into gear, does all the things. Very exciting. Been working on this hump here. We would have finished this, but we ran out of welding wire, which is a huge problem because we need welding wire. We need to be able to weld. So we went ahead and called it a day. Tomorrow morning we're gonna, we actually took advantage of that time and cleared out a whole bunch of shit out of the shed and out of the garage so that we can take it to the dump tomorrow. Just stuff left over from the build that just needs to go away. The build of the thing, and just random crap that just needs to get out of here. A lot of cardboard and things of that nature. So that's actually hugely helpful for us because we don't have a lot of room, and you start cluttering up that shed and there ain't much, you're struggling to find anything. So anyway, that's where we are. Tomorrow morning we're gonna go, I'm gonna take Megan to work, then we're gonna go to the dump, then we're gonna go buy welding wire, and we're gonna come back, finish the hump, put the exhaust on, finish up the loose ends on here, hopefully put the wheels on it, and fire it up. Probably drop it down and see what happens. So that's the game plan for tomorrow. Maybe drive it around the block, maybe not, but definitely in the coming days. So really excited about that. So thanks for watching Brown's Rod and Custom. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I believe we're at 987. I think we're like 13 away or something like that from our goal of 1,000. So if there's 13 of you out there that can hit subscribe, we would greatly appreciate you. That would be amazing, actually. We've been working really hard to get to that over the last 7-8 months. So that'd be amazing to hit that goal. So thanks, guys. Appreciate all of you. And we'll come back to you tomorrow with some more content. Have a great night.